How to forge tools when the world has ended. And more importantly, why would you need it? Oh, I don't know. Maybe because your last knife snapped in half while you were trying to cut through mutant rat ribs. Welcome to the wasteland. See, the supermarkets are gone, the hardware store's ash, and Amazon Prime ain't delivering jack. You want tools? You gotta make tools. And the only blacksmith you'll find out here is you. A trash fire. And whatever sharp junk you can dig up before something digs you up. Step 1. Find metal. Not fancy metal, just whatever the apocalypse coughed up. Broken rebar, car springs, a bent shovel hell, even grandma's old frying pan. If it bends, you're useless. If it clangs, you're in business. Step 2. Fire. You don't need a forge. You need heat that makes your eyebrows reconsider their life choices. Junk wood, gasoline dribbles, car upholstery, it all burns. Build a pit, pile it high, and pray the smoke doesn't attract anyone with sharper teeth than yours. Now, shove that scrap into the flames. Wait until it glows like demon eyeballs. Then yank it out with sticks, pliers, or your bare hands if you're into third-degree cosplay. Bang it on a rock, any rock. Doesn't matter if you look like a lunatic screaming at a stop sign. That's forging, baby. Flatten it, bend it, beat it into something vaguely tool-shaped. Knife, hammer, crowbar, spoon with anger issues, whatever fits. Science tip. Hot metal is soft, cold metal is stubborn, and your patience is already dead. So keep hitting until it works, or you do, and there you go. A brand new tool, fresh from the apocalypse, still smells like burnt tires and bad decisions. Is it perfect? No. Does it work? Probably. Will it keep you alive one more day? That's the whole damn point. If it breaks, don't cry. Just throw it back in the fire and hit harder, because out here, survival isn't about skill, it's about attitude, and yours better be sharp.